In this video, I want to show you how to check your laptop model and specification in Windows 10 and 11. In case you buy a laptop and there is no label on it, or you just found a laptop, you only know the manufacturer but you don't know the specific model, and you want to quickly check it in case you need those informations to send to someone. So to do that is quite simple. So just come to this start icon, right click it and click on run. This will open this dialog box. Let me bring it here. Then here type msinfo 32. Once you type msinfo 32, click on OK. This will open this system information page, and for instance you can see the manufacturer name of this system. Here is it, Samsung Electronic Company, and you can see the specific model of this laptop. You can see it's 900X, and you can see the processor. You can see all other informations about this specific laptop. So in short, this is how to quickly check the particular model of your system. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.